Hey there, future billionaires. Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever found yourself wondering why some people seem to have their finances all figured out? They're saving, investing, and making their money work for them while you're still stuck in the same spot, wondering why your savings account isn't growing. Yeah, I get it. I've been there too. And let me tell you, it's not because these people are just lucky or privileged. It's because they've learned how to manage their money in a way that actually works. And guess what? You can do the same. Now, I know that sometimes it feels like the world is stacked against us. With all the bills, student loans, and other financial burdens, it can feel like we're always playing catch up. But here's the truth. Your financial success is within your control. It's all about your habits. Today, I'm going to share with you 10 money habits that are keeping you broke, and how you can change them to completely transform your financial future. These aren't just some theory or far-off ideas. These are practical, simple habits that anyone, no matter their financial situation, can start implementing right now. Whether you're just getting started or you're looking to level up, these habits will set you on the path to real, lasting success. Let me tell you a quick story to illustrate just how powerful these habits can be. A few years ago, I found myself living paycheck to paycheck. I was constantly stressed about money. Every month, I'd make just enough to cover my bills, but at the end of the month, my savings account was still sitting at zero. The worst part. I didn't know where my money was even going. One day, a close friend sat me down and said, "You can't keep living like this. You need to get a grip on your finances before it's too late." And that hit me hard. I realized I had to take control. I started small, tracking every dollar, creating a budget, and setting simple goals for myself. It was tough at first, but slowly, I began to see real changes. Fast forward to today, and I'm in a completely different position. Not only do I have a budget that works, but I also have an emergency fund, a growing investment portfolio, and more money in my savings than I ever thought possible. The best part? It all started with changing just a few key habits. And that's exactly what I want to help you do today. No magic tricks, no shortcuts, just the power of practical, consistent money habits that anyone can start today. First up, we have the habit of budgeting. It might sound boring, but trust me, it's a game changer. Budgeting is like having a roadmap for your money. It helps you see where every dollar is going and where you might be overspending. Start by listing all your income sources and expenses. Be honest with yourself, include those little purchases too. Once you have everything written down, you can start making informed decisions. Maybe you'll realize you're spending too much on takeout and could save by cooking at home more often. Or perhaps you'll see that small subscription fee you forgot about and can cancel. The key is to review your budget regularly, and adjust as needed. Next, let's talk about saving. Saving money is crucial for financial success. It's not just about putting away what's left at the end of the month. Try to make saving a priority by treating it like a bill you have to pay. Set a specific amount or percentage of your income to save each month. Even if it's small at first, the habit of consistent saving will pay off in the long run. Consider setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. This way, you're saving without even thinking about it. Remember, every little bit counts. Our third habit is all about living below your means. This might be tough in a world that often encourages spending, but it's so important. Living below your means doesn't mean you can't enjoy life. It's about making thoughtful choices and prioritizing what truly matters to you. Ask yourself before each purchase, do I really need this? Often, the answer might surprise you. Try waiting 24 hours before making non-essential purchases. This can help curb impulse buying and save you money in the long run. Fourth on our list is educating yourself about personal finance. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. Take some time each week to learn about financial topics. Read books, listen to podcasts, or watch videos like this one. The more you understand about money management, investing, and financial planning, the better decisions you'll make. Don't be afraid to ask questions or seek advice from professionals when needed. Our fifth habit is tracking your expenses. This goes hand in hand with budgeting, but it deserves its own spotlight. Keep a record of every penny you spend for a month. You might be surprised at where your money is actually going. There are many apps available that can help with this, or you can use a simple notebook. The goal is to become aware of your spending patterns. This awareness is the first step to making positive changes in your financial habits. Sixth, we have the habit of setting financial goals. Without clear goals, it's easy to lose focus and motivation. Think about what you want to achieve financially in the short term and long term. Maybe you want to save for a down payment on a house or pay off your student loans. Whatever your goals are, write them down and make a plan to achieve them. Break big goals into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrate your progress along the way to stay motivated. Our seventh habit is about building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial safety net can make a huge difference. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund can help you avoid going into debt when unexpected costs arise. Start small if you need to, even 100 or 200 CDs can help in a pinch. Gradually build up your emergency fund over time. Having this cushion will give you peace of mind and financial stability. Eighth on our list is investing for the future. Investing can help your money grow over time. It's not just for the wealthy, anyone can start investing, even with small amounts. Look into options like retirement accounts, index funds, or low-cost mutual funds. If you're new to investing, start by educating yourself about different options. Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor to create an investment strategy that suits your goals and risk tolerance. Remember, investing is typically a long-term game, so be patient and consistent. Our ninth habit is avoiding unnecessary debt. Not all debt is bad, but high-interest consumer debt can really hold you back financially. Try to use credit cards responsibly, paying off the balance in full each month. If you have existing debt, make a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible. Consider the snowball or avalanche method for debt repayment. Avoid taking on new debt for non-essential purchases. Instead, save up for big expenses rather than putting them on credit. Last but not least, our 10th habit is regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial plan. Your financial situation and goals may change over time, and that's okay. Set aside time every few months to review your budget, savings, and investments. Are you on track to meet your goals? If not, what adjustments can you make? Don't be afraid to make changes as needed. Maybe you've gotten a raise and can increase your savings rate. Or perhaps you've paid off a debt and can redirect that money towards investments. Staying flexible and proactive with your finances is key to long-term success. There you have it, 10 habits that can really boost your financial success. Remember, building good financial habits takes time and consistency. Don't get discouraged if you slip up sometimes, just get back on track. Which of these habits do you think will make the biggest difference for you? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial success.